Hi, so I'm here to show us all how to solve one-step equations. Alright, so when I think of an equation, think of an equation like a scale. One of the key words that we hear in equation sounds kind of like equal. So with that being said, both sides of our equation must be equal. Let's do an example. An equation always has a variable. So the goal of solving an equation is to get the variable by itself. Isolate that variable. Alright? So let's say we have x plus 3 equals 12. Here is my variable. So what I'm going to do is label my variable here. And I know by the end of this problem, this variable x must stand alone. It must be isolated. Also, an equation always has an equal sign. So what I'm going to do here is draw a line directly down the middle of my equal sign. This shows me that whatever I have on the left side of my equation must equal the right side of my equation. Alright? So the first thing I'm going to do, to get this x by itself, I need to ask myself, what is blocking this x from standing alone? Well, if I look on the left side of my equation only, this positive 3 is blocking my x from being by itself. So what I need to do is not take the opposite. In math, we call it the inverse operation. So I need to figure out what's the inverse operation of addition. If I'm not adding, that means I'm subtracting. So I need to subtract 3 from my left side. Just like I said, if I do it on the left side, must do it on the right side. And I'm going to subtract 3 from the right side of my equation. Now we have a whole new equation to solve. Let's start with the left side. On the left side of my equation, I'm going to bring down my x, because that's what I'm left with. So I'm going to bring down my x. And I know I have to cancel out. I have to cancel out my 3. So if I add $3, but then I take $3 away, have 3, take 3 away, I'm left with 0. Therefore, this cancels out. So the only thing we have left on the left side of our equation is x. Bringing down my equal sign. Notice I'm writing it directly on this straight line to keep it nice and organized. And then I'm going to do the math on the right side of my equation. I have 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. That gives me 9. So now, I don't know if I'm done yet. I have to ask myself, is this x standing alone? Is my x finally isolated? If your question is yes, then you're almost done. There's always a way to check your answer in math. Here's how we can check our answer. So to check our answer to see if we're actually correct, I'm going to substitute in my value for x, which is 9. Substitute that in for my x in my original equation. So let's do it. I'm going to have, let's use orange, 9. I'll write it up here. 9, plugging in is 9, substitute in that value, plus 3. Now before I do the math, just like an equation, I know that whatever I get on this left side, it better equal that right side or something went wrong. So I know that 9 plus 3, I know this equals 12. We know we're correct when it does actually equal 12 on the right side. So whatever you have on the left side must always equal what you have on the right side. And there you have it. We just solved a one-step equation.